Have you ever hung aluminum foil from a branch? Or maybe on windows and doors? This simple trick delivers amazing results and has delighted millions of people worldwide. In today's video, I'll show you how to use this clever home hack that will blow your mind. Did you know that aluminum foil was first patented in 1903? Initially, it was used for food and medicine packaging, but over time, it became popular for its incredible versatility, from cooking and electromagnetic interference protection to preventing corrosion. But now, let's get back to our main topic. All you need is a piece of aluminum foil. New or used, it doesn't matter. The first step is to shape it so it's firm and straight. Then, tie it with a piece of string or thread so you can easily hang it wherever you need. You can even secure it with a tack if that works better for you. Once prepared, hang the foil on a tree branch, a window, or a door. The key is to let it move freely and reflect light. If you don't have the perfect place to hang it, simply position it anywhere. While the effect may not be as strong, you'll still see results. And here's another pro tip. If you don't have foil, you can use an old CD. Just hang it on a tree and it works just as well. Now you might be wondering, what's the purpose of this trick? Well, aluminum foil and CDs are extremely effective at repelling flies, pigeons, and other birds. Their reflective surfaces create sudden flashes of light that dazzle and scare insects and birds, keeping them away from your crops. Plus, the movement of the foil produces soft sound signals that further deter these unwanted visitors. This simple yet brilliant method is a natural, easy, and highly effective way to protect your garden and home. Dear friends, if you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. It's completely free and your support means the world to us. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.